So we're finishing up our solar panel install today, and all we have left is to get the panels up on the roof. We're sticking with our plan of drilling no holes in this trailer to make this upgrade, and so far we've been successful routing our wire. So here's the panels we're using. These are 110 watt sun power flexible solar panels. And what we're doing, I'll show you, move this panel here. We're using corrugated plastic. You can get it at Home Depot. It's like a lot like what's underneath the trailer. And we're using 1/4 inch by 1 inch long bolts right here through the corrugated plastic with a fender washer. And then this will be the side against the roof of the trailer. And we're using a Turnabond tape here to hold the nut from turning, or the bolt from turning, and also to protect any chafage against the roof. What's going to happen is this is going to go on the roof. Pretend that's on the roof. The panel is going to go right up here, and you can see I'm going to line up like that. We're going to use some more washers and some more Turnabond tape, and we're going to secure this to the corrugated plastic. And the corrugated plastic is going to be taped around all 4 sides to the roof. That'll be the base. This will be bolted down. The panel itself will be bolted down. And it seems to be working out pretty good. We've got one up there already, and it's a pretty slick system. We're hoping that the corrugated plastic will keep some thermal transfer off the roof, give the panel a little room to breathe, and allow water runoff between the two. And from the first one we've installed, there seems to be a nice little gap between the panel and the corrugated, between the grommets, and then of course the corrugated and the roof. So far so good. That's our plan. I'll pick up where we left off once we get up on the roof with it. Using 4 inch of Turnabond tape. Here's the corrugated on the roof. Our plan is to use about 1/4 on the panel and the rest, the remainder 3/4 of the tape on the roof to secure it. Here's the panel, mostly installed. You can see right here the Jayco we've laid down. Never mind my ugly wrinkle. And there's the Turnabond, and there's the hardware we've installed, as I showed earlier. Comes up through here. We're using just a nut in the center. On the ends we're using fender washers for extra support. And up front though, we're going to wait. We're going to tape down the leading edge here towards the front of the trailer. Saw that in the comments on RV with Tito. It sounded like a good idea to keep the wind from getting under here and causing problems. So we're going to tape that, and then we're going to do a washer and a nut here. And we'll be done. We'll just hook up the wires and ready to rock and roll. So one more thing to talk about is don't worry about a little tape on the threads when you poke the hardware through the Turnabond tape, because when you put the nut on there, it works a little bit like Loctite and holds the nut on there. So it's a little added benefit.